So we're done with the fried chicken, guys. We're done cooking. And guys, tapos na ako magluto. Kanina pa ako nakaset up dito. Tapos si Ate Shasha, maubos na yung isa, okay? So what can you say about the chicken, Ate? Sabi mo si guys, eh.
Guys, fried chicken.
Delicious. Let's eat, guys. Eto, tira lang kanin ng kagabi. Ininit ko lang, guys. So, right now, kagabi, nilagay ko na dito. Okay? Tayo, magkakamay lang ako, guys, okay?
Ako magkakamay.
Let's eat! Sarap pahinga. Is naman, isang kainan namin ni Shasha, maubos ng 1 kilong fried chicken. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. For today's video, I will be sharing you my recipe on making a delicious homemade fried chicken, okay? This is just kind of regular fried chicken, but I have my own recipe, okay? I don't know if we have the same recipe, but this is mine. And I think this is the best for me because my daughter loves to eat this from time to time and she eats a lot of chicken whenever I serve her, okay? So join with me in my kitchen so I can share to you my very simple recipe, okay? I can share with you the procedure, okay? If you would love to adapt, it's up to you, okay? So thank you so much guys for clicking this video, okay? And to those people who are just new to this channel, who have just new to hop into this channel, I hope you would love to click like, you will leave a comment, and then you subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos, okay? Thank you so much guys, and let's go to my kitchen. Today's video, I will share you my recipe on how I make my special, okay, let's say regular fried chicken, okay? But before that, we will chop the chicken first, okay guys? Chopping the chicken should be in a proper cut, okay? So the very first thing to do when we want to cut the chicken is what? Chop like this, okay? Be sure that your knife, okay, is sharp, okay? Okay, chop na natin yan, okay? Breast part. And then, we will get the, what do we call this? Drumstick, okay? And then, we will remove this. Here is our chopped chicken, okay? So what we're going to do is, we will this will serve as our marinating sauce, okay? We'll just add salt later on. Guys, before I proceed to the frying of the chicken, I will first share with you that the other ingredients that we will be needing is the crispy fry, okay? This is for 1 kilo accordingly, but I do not put crispy fry whole pack in one. No, I added the crispy fry breading mix with all-purpose flour because I don't love to eat a very salty food because I feel that this is very salty. Whenever I dip the meat using this breading mix alone, so what I did is through this, okay, then ihahalo ko siya, okay. And then afterwards, I'm gonna get flour, guys. All-purpose flour. Hinahaluan ko siya. Okay. This isang kutsara ng ganito. Kasi ayoko talaga guys sobrang alat. Tsaka may timpla naman din yun. Yung chicken natin, diba? So, yun. And then guys, we will be needing 1 egg, okay? Because before we dip into the flour, we will dip first into the egg, okay? Okay. Okay, we will dip it here. Dip it here. Okay. Then we'll dip it here. Okay, like that. So that will be the. It will just be a repetition lang, diba? So ganun. So let's go to the frying na. Okay. So ganun siya guys. Pakakuha mo ng chicken na minarinate mo sa lemon. All you need to do is doon sa mixture ng egg with garlic, okay? And then next na sa flour, okay? So magprito na tayo guys. Guys, let's go to the frying the chicken, okay? So all we need to do is turn on the flame, okay? Turn on the flame. This is my favorite pan, okay? You see this color black, but I love this pan because this is cute to use for me. And I feel that the food that I'm making in the pan is so delicious. Guys, when the pan is hot already, we can now add you cannot put down the chicken, okay? So see, okay. Guys, I will put the flame into a slow fire, okay? Right there. You can also turn this. It's okay. It's okay. You want this to okay also. Okay, so you still have a space here. You can still add a piece. Kasi 'di ba garlic plus ano to eh, plus lemon, 'di ba? So ganon. Okay. You just flip from time to time, okay? Flipping helps to make the meat tender and crispy, okay? As you can see. Yan. Just need to flip from time to time. Para hindi siya matutong, okay? Guys, to ensure that the chicken will be done well, you have to get a knife, okay? Okay. Okay. Look at that, guys. So we're done with the fried chicken, guys. We're done cooking. You have to strain the fried chicken, okay? Hot. Yummy. Crispy. Look. Tapos na ako magluto. Kanina pa ako nakaset up dito. Tapos si Ate Shasha, maubos na yung isa, okay? So what can you say about the chicken, Ate? Tell them that what is the taste of the chicken, Nanay? Delicious. Let's eat, guys. Eto, tira-tirang kanin ng kagabi. Ininit ko lang, guys. So, right now, we will eat fried chicken and rice only. Meron itong mga vegetable na tira-tira kagabi. Nilagay ko na dito. Okay? So, here's the fried chicken that I cook. Okay? Kain na tayo. Magkakamay lang ako, guys. Okay?
Ako magkakamay.
Let's eat!